Hello Baghdad, hello Iraq, hello sa buong mundo, how are you? Shout out to all nationwide, worldwide, to different countries, to different people belong here in the world. Sabay pang ganun. How are you? How are you? Hello, 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 hello YouTube. Hello to the all employees of the YouTube company. Hello to the all subscriber of mine. Shout out to all of us. Nationwide and worldwide, you are subscriber or not. Hello, hello, and how are you? Keep safe lagi. And now I'm just take first. I finish Celine to take her breakfast. It's just a cornflakes because it's not no school. It's holiday daw today. Okay, so me also, I take my kaak. Oh, ayan may kaak. Kaak. Oh, and my shy. And then after that one, when I finish, I go to the laundry. I finish my laundry to bring out in the small balcony. The small balcony I finish already. So now I'm making video first while I'm eating my kaak, and Celine, she is in the sala. In the sala, the small sala is I finish already. But the room, and I have a lot pa to do it and to clean and to work something pa. Too much pa. Once again, I'm just always telling every videos that what I have to say thank you. Thank you to all that you subscribe of me. You didn't subscribe of me. You are watching of my short videos and regular videos. Thank you very much. Thank you that you are still support, and to all some bloggers, not all the bloggers only, some bloggers from the beginning until now that you also still to support to gain my YouTube channel. And I wish that God, not I wish, it's God will be provide everything what we need. To all of you that you are open-minded, you are open-minded, open heart, good heart like that one, but patient and kindness, that you will be still support in my YouTube channel. You are watching, and I wish that you subscribe, share, likes, and comments. And I'm very thankful also if you are doing or not doing. Thank you very much for everything. The important that everything will be okay. The important that we have in a good health. We have our daily routine in our life. It's the bliss from God above. Okay, so thank you again. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice night. I don't know what time in the different countries. At least here in mag-11 o'clock na yata, o mag-12 na. I don't know what time is it now. I don't know, quarter to 11 a.m. Okay, so make sure that you are in a good situation. Or it depends, we are not also the same. We are not the same situation. They are not the same in everything. Every one of us, we have a different, not different lifestyle. Okay? We have individual living in this world. So, the important that keep safe lagi, and focus on what you are doing, and take care of your health and yourself, and God bless us all. Okay? He can provide everything what we have. Okay? Thank you once again. Thank you, and thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe, to share, to likes and comments. Okay? Yeah, once again, bye. Take care and God bless us all.